Pull up the SPX. I've been leveraged long. Just to go over, because I did have a question about this as I was just getting ready to record the video. Leverage long, what does leverage long mean? Well, I trade ETFs that are more than 100% long market exposure. First, just to give you an example, SPXL, that's 3 times long the S&P 500. So if you allocate 10%, you're 30% long market exposure. If you allocate 40%, 40 times 3, you have 120% long market exposure. That would be long market exposure if you're using those leveraged long ETFs. Obviously, if you have call positions on, you could be even more leveraged long, especially if you exercise those. If you're just trading futures or just trading stocks, then you're just going to be 100% long market exposure if that meets your risk profile. Okay, let's just go over a couple times recently that I had over 100% long market exposure. Well, we got long here, and we had our scales, and then I added. So I was over 100% long market exposure there. We got long here, and I believe I added. We got long here, and I think I added here. In this one, I've been mostly 60% long market exposure, maybe 70 or 80 a few times. We're breaking out, and triple top, I said triple tops don't hold, and so far they haven't. We're clearly above it. Yesterday's low to me is significant because that was at the 10 SMA. It was also the week before option expiration. So if we break that, I don't want to be leveraged long anymore. Okay? It's real simple. At the same token, if we come down here, we close and give up half these games today, it means nothing. Okay? We want to see continued price strength confirmation. That's what we want to see. We don't want to see a break of the previous day's low. That would probably signal the market's going to get sloppy. If it does, I'm probably going to book all profits at SPXL and go to cash. Because I don't want to trade a sloppy tape. And I don't want to be leveraged long. I have huge year-to-date gains. And you should too. We just talked about the 90% club. We just talked about our 89% win. If you don't, then we need to talk, and a few of you I've talked to try to straighten out what we're doing wrong, right? Because you want to be on the right track. You want to get long the market, the SPX, the Dow, the NASDAQ, early in uptrends, and then select from our ESFL, our focus list, thereafter. Okay? I'm still leveraged long. I got leveraged long today. I'm still long Facebook, and that's how I'm trading. And you have to understand, everybody is different.